Hey guys, it's Duncan from 21417A, Robotics, and I'm here to do expansion explanation on a robot. We're finally to the point where we're going to start moving pieces from this robot over to our new robot. So this is probably the last time you're going to see Speedy in his complete competition form. So essentially our expansion is 6 shooters off of the top, 1 shooter on the bottom. And essentially all the top ones are fired using 1 cylinder. It's a double acting pneumatic cylinder, and it basically just pushes up and releases all of these standoffs back here, and it has string and rubber bands with projectiles on them. And basically all of these are then able to basically shoot forward, release a string, and shoot it all over the field. We used pneumatic nuts as the projectiles for this because they had enough weight to pull the string off. And on this bottom one, similar concept, except it's a single acting pneumatic cylinder, which basically has a high strength pillow block off the top of it. So basically the cylinder just fires and releases, and it's the same thing. It releases the string and the rubber band and the projectile and shoots it down. So this one's longer just because this was our full court expansion, so that just shot down the whole field, and this just gave us a lot more power for this particular launcher. And all the rest of these just covered the perimeters of the field, and these 2 ones covered the very outside tiles. They're at an angle pointed down, and so we found that this system worked very well. We've used it at all our competitions so far, and that's about it for the expansion. So the second part of our expansion is this expansion block. So this essentially is just to block opponents in-game. We got it from the idea from 9368C, Speed of Light, and put it on before our last competition. So essentially this just all folds up into a bundle on the back and then expands. So the release for that is just a pneumatic cylinder with a steel pin that essentially just slides in and holds a string back, which is wrapped around the entire shield. And when this pneumatic cylinder fires, it basically releases that string, which allows everything to expand. And it's all pulled out by rubber bands after it's released. So that's about it for our in-game block.